G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. The white that you can see is a reflection of the lights. I'll have to zoom in for this one so you get a better view. Okay, we'll start with the biggest bit, Semi-crystal type material. Clay goes underneath there. Perhaps it's a fissure right through, don't know. A bit thinner over on this side, quite thick on this side. That's the biggest piece. No real front or back with this piece, I don't think. Next bit. Bit more undulating the colours in this piece. That's how thick it's been. Bit of potch in this piece, I think. Bit hollow there in the middle. Front and back, solid opal right through by the looks. I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.